Hi guys, today I'm doing an unboxing of my new blender and I just wanted to share that with you. Okay guys, this is how it's looking straight out of the box. I'm going to open this second box. So first you will see the manual. So this is a blender straight out of the box. And I'm just going to couple it, put them together and show you exactly how I really like this because it's a glass jug. Really nice. I also came with a brush. I also came with this. Or you can use to push things in. It's a nice product. I can't wait to show you all the recipes I'll be using this to make.